welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. 210 encroachments at Moti Dongor to be demolished. Communidade to step final demolition notice. Time of 10 days to vacate. Valanka Alemao is the new Goa Pradesh Youth Congress President. Xavier Fiallo is the Vice President. Valanka wins by 168 votes. National Green Tribunal bench sent extraction and riverbeds. NGT bench issues notices to all state chief secretaries. 6 replies by August 14th. Nationalized banks give ultimatum to truck owners in mining area. Pays due within 10 days, else vehicles to be attached once the notice. And CM agrees that there was a ploy to exclude Vigilance Department from RTI. Officers connived to get the leverage. CM rejects proposal with contempt. And now the news in detail. Its final 210 structures at Moti Dongor will be demolished. Communidade will serve final notices to the encroachers from Tuesday. Notice specifically directs the petitioners to remove or get removed the encroachments within 10 days from date of notice. The encroachments are on the property of vacate Communidade. Administrator has asked for police protection. 2 teams will be formed for serving 210 notices.
Encroachments on the Moti Dongor, the land belonging to the vacate Communidade, that is Chalta number 52, petition number 228. Now this is basically Moti Dongor area. And there were 210 people who had gone into petition against the first removal notices which were served by my office under the Goa Land Prohibition of Constructions 1995 Act. Fresh show cause notices were issued again on these petitioners, and this is the order which is come on the show cause notice which was issued on 29th of April. Services of the notices will be starting immediately, that is from tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards we will be serving the notices on the encroachers through Scriva of Communidade. We have made 2 teams for that, and accordingly the notices will be served. Yes, of course I have asked for police protection for my staff.
How many houses are
total there are 210 notices to be served, 210 encroachers. Final order on the show cause notices.
Show cause notices.
I have passed my orders on the show cause notices which I had issued, or which my office has issued on 29th of February.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Finally, the daughter of Alemao family, Valanka Alemao, was elected as president of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. She defeated her contender Xavier Fiallo by 168 votes. Fiallo is now the vice president of GPYC. Anston Santa Maria will lead North Goa district as the president, whereas Daesh Naik will head South Goa district. The elections were held on Sunday.
The election results of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress was declared on Monday. Valanka Alemao was elected as the president of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. There were 6 in race for the post of president. Valanka received 530 votes and Xavier Fiallo 362 votes. Valanka won by 168 votes.
पहले नंबर पर एलेमाओ साबियो एलेमाओ थे, उनको 3 वोट मिले हैं, और गौरी सिरोडकर उनको 38 वोट मिले हैं, गौतम भगत उनको 33 वोट मिले हैं, वरद मार्डोलकर उनको 92 वोट मिले हैं, और वेलंका एलेमाओ जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा वोट इनको 530 वोट मिले हैं, और ज़वेर फेलियो उनको 362 वोट मिले हैं। ये 6 के 6 कैंडिडेट हैं, इन लोगों को इतने वोट मिले हैं, 3 वोट इनवैलिड हुए हैं।
I feel good and thanks to all my supporters who are here.
It's the youth of Goa who have
voice of youth of Goa.
South Goa MP Francisco Sardina has congratulated Valanka for her victory. He says she has been elected through a poll contest. It's not the case of family politics.
New Youth Congress President has been elected. I congratulate Ms. Valanka Alemao.
In any democracy, when
people elect somebody, we have to accept and be happy that the person has been democratically elected.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
National Green Tribunal has ordered a nationwide ban on sand extraction in riverbeds without prior clearance from Union Environment Ministry. NGT issued interim orders in a petition filed by National Green Tribunal Bar Association. The NGT bench has also issued notices to all the state chief secretaries and has sought reply by 14th August. The order is likely to affect the process started by the State Mines Department asking for applications for sand extraction.
The National Green Tribunal bench headed by Swatantra Kumar has ordered interim ban on sand extraction in and outside the river belt. Petition was filed by the National Green Tribunal Bar Association in reaction to the suspension of the IAS officer Durga Shakti Nagpal by the Uttar Pradesh government. Goa Mines and Geology Department had asked for applications for sand extraction permit. Department had identified 10 zones for sand extraction. Directorate has begun the process to control rampant illegal sand extraction in the state. NGT's order will now be a roadblock in this process. The tribunal has made an environmental clearance from Union Environment Ministry mandatory for sand mining. Bench ordered all state governments to respond to the petition by August 14. It says that the mining activity is being carried out on large scale, causing loss worth crores of rupees lost to the state exchequer. Meanwhile, Supreme Court Justice T.S. Thakur has denied to hear matter on Goa mining and requested Chief Justice to constitute new bench. Mining matter came for hearing on Monday. Goa government has not yet filed a complete reply to the report of the Central Empowered Committee. State is also yet to submit its report on the boundaries of the wildlife sanctuaries.
फॉरेस्ट बेंचाचे जज आशिल्ले पळय तांच्यांनी सांगलें की आमी खंयचीय मायनींग मॅटर घेवचे ना. तातूंत आमी मातशे थक्क जाले की आमचे खूब उमेद आशिल्ले की सुप्रीम कोर्ट आमचे मॅटर सॉल्व करतली बेगिना बेगीन आनी आमचे जे पळय बेरोजगार लोक आसा तांचे सारके पोटार येयला आनी ते कितें तरी जे लिगल मायन्स आसा ते तरी सुरू करपाक दितले. पूण अशें जर सुनवायच जायना जाल्यार आमी खंय वचचे आनी कितें करचें म्हूण कांयच समजना आतां.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Nationalized banks have sent notices to truck owners in mining areas for defaulting loan amount. The banks have warned trucks that trucks would be attached if the due amount is not paid within 10 days. These notices have sent shivers across the mining belt as the source of their livelihood will be taken away by banks if they fail to repay their loans.
आणि एक आठवडभर जालें ह्या बँकेनी म्हाका कंटिन्युअस लेटर धाडपाक गेलें की इमिडिएट तो ओवरड्यू आसा ते फारीक कर ना जाल्यार आमी तुगेली गाडी अटॅच करतली म्हणून म्हाका लेटर केलें. सो हांव बँकेक एक सांगपाक सोदतां की जेन्ना आमकां तुमी लोन दिल्लो तो लोन कित्याक लागून दिल्लो. तो लोन दिल्लो आमगे ह्या मायनिंगा गाडी चलतल्यो आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी तो लोन फारीक करतली म्हणून आमकां गाडी दिल्ल्यो. सो आतां ह्यो मायनी बंद आमी केली ना. सो मायनी बंद करपाक आमी जबाबदार ना. तेन्ना म्हाका एक विनंती आसा बँके कडेन की आमकां अशी हॅरेसमेंट करची न्ही.
आतां मग तो आपण बंद ना म्हणटा आनी ते मुजी बरें येता बँक लेटर म्हाका धाड मग हांव मुकड्या जायना मुगले गाडी इन्स्टॉलमेंट भरपा ते गाडी मुजी भरपाक मग
तुगे गाडी तुका लेटर येयला आतां
मुगे गाडी येयला ना म्हणून हांवें फ्रेंडा विटनस रावलो ती गाडी येयला म्हाका आनी वयल्यान ते म्हाका सांगता हांवें फ्रेंडाक फोन मारलो तो सांगता आपल्याक पयशे भरूंक जायना तूं कितें कोत्तें कर मग आप मुकड्या जायना ते बुश भरपा ते गेले.
बँकेचे लेटर आयला आनी 10 दिसां भितर लोन फारीक करचें ना जाल्यार लिगल एक्शन घेतलें अशे पद्दतीन म्हाका लेटर आयला. पयरूच आयला 2-3 दीस जाले आनी त्या संदर्भात आतां आमचेर खूब आकांत आयला. आमकां सद्याक पयलीं पोटाक खाता जाल्यार कितें कांयच ना आनी अशे परिस्थितीक ही लेटर येवप आनी आमकां हो एक सामको मोठो हॅरेसमेंट आसा. जे ट्रक ओनर आसात तांचेर आत्महत्या करपाची पाळी येवपाची शक्यता आसा आनी आतां रोखडीच चवथ जावपाची आसा. चवथीक आमकां तर कांयच ना. पोरूंक थोडेशें कितें इकडेन तिकडेन आशिल्लें तें पोरूंक चवथीक केल्ली. आतां ह्या चवथीक आमी सामके त्रासांत पडल्यात आनी चवथ कशी जातली आनी गणपतीक हाडून कशे पद्दतीन ताची सेवा करतले हो प्रस्न आतां मोठो बिकट जाल्लो.
It's time for a short break now. Stay tuned.